Hello and welcome to this lesson plan on the Revit User Interface Introduction. We'll be talking about working with families. This is video 4 of 5. My name is John Harridge and I will be your host today for this lesson. Next, let's take a look at the learning objectives for this video. First, we'll take a look at accessing a component family from a library, and then second, we'll load that component family into the current project and then complete the process by placing that component family in the current project. Let's get started. Let's begin by opening the Revit Intro Exercise 4 project file. An effective strategy for managing project file sizes is to import building components as you need them. In this example, we will import a closet door for this project that is not currently available. These building components are located in what's called component libraries, and we'll check those out. First, let's open up the first floor level plan view, as this is where we'll be placing our closet doors, as you can see highlighted or circled here in the floor plan view at those 3 locations. And to begin the process, what we'll do is access the library components through the actual object command. So we'll start the door command. Let's go ahead and select door. And then if you look in the modify ribbon tab, you'll see that there is a load family, and that's how we import our components. And what we're looking for is the door library. So go ahead and double click the doors folder to display those building components for doors. And if you select a singular family, it will show you a preview in the upper right hand corner of that dialog box. In this case, go ahead and select the double panel 2 door family, as that's the one that we want to bring in. Go ahead and select OK or open. So that family is now available and also becomes the active door to be placed. Before we actually place the doors in the project, just verify that tag on placement is not active, which means make sure it's not shaded. All right, move your cursor into the canvas window and let's go ahead and locate the first door for placement. Approximately in the middle is what we're trying to achieve here. Left click to actually place the door at that location and orientation. Move on to the second location. Again, hover to acquire the location, left click to place. And then on to the third door. Now in some cases, if you accidentally get the door in the wrong orientation, you'll see that there's these blue flip grips that allow you to actively change the orientation after the fact just by left clicking on those. Go ahead and hit escape key twice to end the placement command. Right click in the canvas window and let's do zoom to fit. And go ahead and save the file as Revit Intro Exercise 4 finished, please. This concludes this exercise. Let's look at the learning objectives that we completed. In review of this lesson, we accessed a door component family from the Revit library and then loaded the component family into the current project and then placed an instance of that door family using the door command. With that, let's look at Autodesk resources. I would like to make you aware of 2 specific Autodesk resources. The first one being the Autodesk Education Community, where you can access free software for both students and educators, and that can be located at www.students.autodesk.com. It does require registration, and you can use either your own personal email address or a school-issued email address. The second resource is the Autodesk Digital STEAM Workshop. It's hands-on, project-based learning across multiple industries such as architecture, engineering, gaming, and animation. And those resources are located at www.digitalsteam.autodesk.com. This concludes this exercise. Thank you very much for watching.